The purpose of this screencast is to show you how to use the wiki for your peer review projects in both family economics and teaching family sciences. For purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to use the family economics Blackboard shell, but the example will be the same in both classes. So if you're in teaching family sciences, the titles will look different, but the method will be the same. So from your Blackboard shell home screen, you will want to click on Wikis, where you will find several different resources talking about wikis, how to use them, what they are. For our purposes, when you're ready to post for your peer review, you'll scroll down and you'll find a folder called Student Wikis. Click on that, and that will take you in to where each student will have their own wiki. So I am going to click on My Wiki, click View, and that will take me to my wiki home screen, where you will see some instructions here. The pages you need for your wiki have already been created, so you won't need to add any new pages over here where you see this page. Go down, you see New. You don't want to click on that. You won't need any additional pages. When you get ready to upload your project, whether it's the RLR for the research paper in family economics or the PWC in teaching family sciences, you will want to go to the draft page. You'll click on that. You'll click edit so that you can edit the page. And then you're going to need to copy your document into the wiki. So I am going to go out to Word, and I'm going to copy my RLR, and then I'm going to paste it into the wiki. You have two different options. You can paste as plain text or you can paste from Word. I'm going to click on Paste from Word and hope that it will retain at least some of my formatting. So it will bring up the screen. Click Insert. This is if you're using Firefox. And there you can see that at least part of my RLR has been copied into the wiki. And I can click on Save. And there is my text. Now, once I've copied it and pasted it into the home screen, it also needs to be pasted for reviewer number 1. So you'll go to reviewer number 1 screen, you'll edit just like you did before. Now if you're using Internet Explorer as your browser, it will probably allow you to insert directly onto the page. And then I'm going to save it there. And then I would repeat the process for reviewer number 2. The purpose of this is to have a clean copy on your draft page, and then to have a copy for reviewer number 1 and reviewer number 2, so they each have a clean copy to start with for their edits. Now, if you're peer reviewing someone else's work, you'll go into their wiki, you'll click on reviewer number 1 or number 2, whichever one you happen to be. Let's go back to the home screen. I'm reviewer number 1, let's say, so I'm going to click on reviewer number 1, and now I can go in and read the document and edit it directly in the wiki. So I would start reading this paper and come down here. I like the way the cover page looks, and I get down here and I decide, okay, I don't understand what this last sentence in this paragraph means. So I may go in and add, I like to bracket mine so it sets it off from the rest of the text. This sentence is not clear to me. You may want to reword for clarity. And then, so that that will be visible to both the professor who's grading and the person whose document it is, then you're going to want to change the color of the text. So I'm a purple person, so I'm going to make mine purple, and that sets it off a bit. You can also highlight it if you would prefer to do it that way, and you click the highlight button and you can pick a color. And that makes it even clearer. Now, you're going to need to save all your changes once you've edited for your peer review process. You're going to make small changes, comments that need to be made directly to a particular sentence. You'll want to make them in the wiki. But then when you're done, if you have overall comments about the paper, like maybe the APA formatting is completely off and you just want to make that clear to the person that they really need to go back and look at their APA, then you can click on comments, and that will bring up a window where you can add overall general comments about the document. So here we could type, please check APA 6th edition for numerous errors in in-text citations. And then you can add the comment. And with that, you are done with the peer review process for both the RLR and the PwC. I hope this screencast has been helpful. And if you are in my section of a class, feel free to email me with any questions you might have about the Wiki project.